Welcome back. FC Goa's head coach Zico says transformation in last few matches is the fruit of our initial preparations. FC Goa players take on the chance and together it's a teamwork. FC Goa has so far won 3 matches and 2 draws. Zico is motivating the team to play their next match scheduled on Monday at Fatoda. FC Goa will play against Northeast United Football Club.
When we have the chance to keep the same team, the same formation, the same group, so we can see the results in the game that we play.
O desgaste acaba sendo menor porque o time fica mais compactado, mais junto e corre todo mundo com o mesmo objetivo. Então a gente está feliz por estar conseguindo manter isso, né? Não tivemos praticamente quase problemas de contusão e isso é bom para nós.
So when they are playing more together, more compact, so the tiredness is much less. So we are having these good results.
Isso é fruto da preparação inicial, que todo mundo bem, todo mundo, aqueles que estão tendo oportunidade, estão entrando bem no jogo. Então a gente está, por isso que eu sempre disse que eu não tenho um time, eu tenho 27 jogadores à disposição para poder botar o que acho que pode ser melhor naquele momento.
And this is a fruit of our initial preparation. And as I always have said, we have not just 11 players, we have 27. So all of them are prepared to play. And when the chance appears, they are showing the work.
FC Goa is practicing hard at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium to take on Northeast United Football Club. The football team has faith reposed in their head coach Zico.
So I have no doubt about that the best player at the moment is playing in that position. My job is to put my head down, and just work hard and wait for my opportunity. And when it comes, I have to take it. As far as improvement is concerned, he's improved. Zico has improved the way how not just about me, but about all the players. He's improved our position.
Reporter Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
Skaters demand a permanent skating rink in Fatoda. The parents of skaters claim that the children need proper facilities to practice and which would also help to promote the sport in South Goa. Children from South Goa have shown remarkable skills and despite of all difficulties, they have performed excellent at this recent state-level skating championship. Coach believes with proper facilities, children can win laurels.
The children from South Goa have this proposed SGPDA pickup stand as the only option as a skating rink. Have a look. The love and passion for sport has forced children to practice along the roadside with all sorts of difficulties.
Panjimchan already there are 2 rings, and where to see there are very less students, you can say 0 students. We can't leave our children and go because there are vehicles coming in any side, this and that. We have to protect our children here. So, and the second thing is we are from 5 to 7 here. By 6 o'clock, 6:30 it becomes dark.
Exhibition आसा तेन्ना आमकां हांगा बंद आसता प्रॅक्टीस, आमकां प्रॅक्टीस मेळना आनी पावस आसता तेन्नाय बी हांगा प्रॅक्टीस नासता, तेन्ना 3 म्हयने कंप्लिटली बंद आसता. सो आमकां एकच जाय गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान की आमकां एक भुरग्यां पासत एक रिंग जाय परमनंट. कोणी फाल्यां कोणी आयलो एक्झिबिशन घातलें वा आनी कोण आयलो कितें आसलें तें आमकां तशें जावपाक जायना. इट शूड बी व्हेरी परमनंट फ्रॉम एसएजी. गव्हर्मेंटान रिक्वेस्ट केला पूण कांयच कोणा कडल्यान कांयच हें जालां, रिप्लाय आयना. कितें विजयान सुद्दां सांगिल्लें पूण विजयान कांयच इनिशिएटिव्हच घेवना तेजे बद्दल.
The skating coach Rajesh Naik has put in all the efforts to train these kids. Despite of all difficulties, children have shown excellent performance at the recently held state-level skating championship.
State level, under 11 state level, first place RCC फातोड्याच्या भुरग्यांनी काडलो आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांनी थंयसर बरो परफॉर्मन्स केलो. पूण सावथ गोवान आमकां ग्रावंड स्केटींग रिंक हातूंनी ना जाल्यार आमचो जायतो आनी परफॉर्मन्स खूब वाडटलो, खूब हाय लेवलान वयतलो आनी नॅशनलांनी आमी मेडल्स हाडटले.
Savio Dice for Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.